Good morning, children. In today's video, I will explain you the remaining portion of lesson number 21, that is your present tense. Clear? Students, last I was explaining you about for present perfect tense. So I told you that to indicate the activities that have been completed in the immediate past. Okay? Example, the child has just woken up. To express past actions where time of the happening is not mentioned, and if at all mentioned, it is not definite. Clear? To denote an action beginning at some time in the past and continuing up to the present moment, जो चल रहा था अभी तक, past में शुरू हुआ था, अभी तक जो चल रहा था. Look at this, students. Note, do not use present perfect tense has or have when there is a time phrase. Clear? अगर time phrase हो रहा है, example last year 1994 this, अगर ये टाइम फ्रेज में हो रहा है तो हमें नहीं यूज़ करना है. आई हैव सीन द ताजमहल लास्ट ईयर, इनकरेक्ट है ये. आई सॉ द ताजमहल लास्ट ईयर इज योर correct. Now turn the page, students. Also note that for and since are commonly used with the present perfect tense. Clear? For shows period of time and since shows some point of time in the past as being the starting point of the action or event. Example, my friend has lived in Delhi for several years. Clear? Here still lives here. Clear? मतलब वो वहाँ अभी भी रह रहा है. These people have been here since 1975. Still they are here. Okay, still they are here. अभी भी है वहाँ पे. The following are some time expressions which go with the simple past and some that go with the perfect present tense. Clear? Simple past tense हम देखेंगे yesterday. Present में हम इसे लिखेंगे क्या? So far, a week ago, since, last Tuesday, lately or recently. The difference in the meaning of the following two sentences. Dr. Saxena lived in Dehradun for 15 years. मतलब ये past बता रहा है आपका. Dr. Saxena has lived in Dehradun for 15 years. Still, Dr. Saxena lives in Dehradun. इस sentence का मतलब है वो अभी भी वहाँ रह रहे हैं. पहले वाले में क्या है कि वो रहते थे. Past बता रहा है आपका. Now students, use of adverbs or adverbial phrases with present perfect tense. Already adjust करिए. In the affirmative sentence is used as, यहाँ पे आप देखिए subject has have लगाएंगे आप, verb आपका just already जो भी है, फिर verb का आपका third form object. I have already seen him before. These are for use of adverbs or adverbial phrases. Clear? Now, never, till now, yet, so far, not ever in the negative sentences is used as. ये example है आपका. Ever, never, already, just in the interrogative sentence is used as. Have I, has लगाकर आप यूज करेंगे जैसा होगा आपका. Have you ever been to a village fair? Has she never sat on the rotating swing? Etc. Examples are there, students. यहाँ पे आप देखिए ये structures adverb kind of sentences, ये आप देख लीजिएगा, अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिएगा. If you have any doubt, you can ask me during online classes. And next, look here, students. You should not use any time expressions, time phrase denoting the past time with the present perfect tense. Clear? ये में नहीं use करना है. It would be wrong because present perfect shows that the effect of action is still left at the time of speaking. Okay? Again you can see, students, ये भी यहाँ पे भी एक दिया हुआ है, types and structures with examples you will see. Next is your, students, present perfect continuous. ये हम यूज़ करते हैं. The present perfect continuous is used to express an action that began in the past and has been in progress till the time of speaking. I have been doing my assignment since morning. मतलब क्या है यार, देखिए, I started doing my assignments in the morning and am still doing. अभी भी आप कर रही हैं. It is also used to express an action that finished just a short while ago. Rika has been sleeping. She has stopped sleeping now. मतलब वो अभी तक सो रही थी. Now students, use of since and for. It shows the point of time of the start of the action. Since है देखिए यहाँ पे with the names of days, months यहाँ use होता है. Period of days और life, morning, evening इसलिए होता है यहाँ पे. Since is used with time of clock and century. Last, plus time phrase last week, last year, कुछ भी हो, और for it shows the period of time for the happening of the action. For is used with number of days, months, weeks, hours. For is used with long time. Students, since and for are usually used in perfect continuous tense. You will underline this before the time phrase. Since is used to suggest the point of time at which an action started, and for is used to suggest the period of time till the action kept happening. Here, use of since is used to suggest the point. जब exact point of time बताया जा रहा है आपको, तब हम since use करते हैं. For which an action has been going on and the exact point of time of the start of action. Clear? Look at the giving example. This is since 10 o'clock. It's raining since 10 o'clock. Okay, since childhood. She is mischievous since her childhood. Okay, since Monday. Since मतलब एक पॉइंट बताए तब से चल रहा है. मिस्टर त्यागी हैज़ बीन टॉकिंग टू द गेस्ट्स सिंस मॉर्निंग. सुबह से ये बात कर रहे हैं. नोट इफ last is used before the time phrase, then since is used. Clear? Next देखिए बेटा, use of for. For is used to suggest the period of time for which an action has been going on but the exact point of the start of action is not known. Exact आपको नहीं पता है, लेकिन घंटे भर, 2 घंटे, 4, ये पता है आपको, मतलब पीरियड बताया जा रहा है. ओके, for an hour, for a long time, for several days, etc. Example, you can see Mr. Tyagi has been talking to his clients for 3 hours. So exercises are there. You will do as indicated. Clear? ये आपको क्लास वर्क कॉपी में सारे एक्सरसाइजेस करने हैं. एंड 2 इज योर होमवर्क. बुक में कर लीजिएगा, एक आप अपना होमवर्क कॉपी में. ओके, आई होप एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर टू यू. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. If you have any doubt, you can ask me during online classes.